I have a problem with my main camera here. See the tripod shoe on there? This here's the door to open up. I can't open that door up to change out the battery or change out the card unless I take all this off. So that really sucks when I'm out there filming or doing something and the battery dies, or if the card gets full, I have to take this off. That way I can open up this door. I think I have a solution for that. So my idea is to take like some of this aluminum stock right here, and cut me off a small piece to where it'll screw into the camera to where it can be like, like right there, flush with that. Because with that screwed in there, it allows the door to open. Then I can have another hole drill another hole over here to where the shoe can, where I can screw this into it. That still gives it enough room there to where I think it'll still get a good hold in it. I do have some steel, but I think that'll just make the camera a lot heavier. So I'm going to use this aluminum stock. Okay, first of all I need to get a measurement here. So if I measure that from that edge, I'd probably say down to there. Up 2.5. That'd be 2 1/4 inches to be good. If I just take it up to there, it'd be 2 1/4. Man, them lights ain't very good, but 2 1/4 would get it. Okay. It's going to still be kind of shaky, isn't it? Hey, I thought I'd give it a try. Oh well. That was a little shaky, but got that cut fast. Now I'll just clean up these little edges right here. Shouldn't be that big of a deal. Doesn't look too bad, does it? I got the little piece of aluminum blank cut out, smoothed off the edges just a little bit. Now I need to figure about where to drill the hole in here or in here. So if that's there, I could probably mark the center right there. Get this here lined up there. Make sure it's straight. Cut across there. Mark the center point about right there. Now we just got to drill a hole big enough for a 1/4 by 20 bolt to go through. Okay, let's get this center punched in there. There we go. I'm just going to take a 1/4 inch drill bit, but it always drills bigger and the bolts are a little bit smaller than that. Get that tightened up. Bring that down for center. Get in there. We'll just try to deburr that just a little bit. Well, it's not perfectly centered, but close enough. Okay, as you can see, I did get it put on there. I just put a 1/4-20 nut under there as a spacer because the screw is going to be too long. And with that right there, the door opens and I can get the battery out. Now I'm just going to have to drill another hole over here so I can mount the tripod shoe in there. So let me get that there done. We're measuring off with the shoe and everything. That there looks about like center. I can drill this hole a little bit smaller because we are going to be tapping into aluminum, so it's not going to be all that hard. Okay, get this lined up. Okay, let's get that deburred best we can. Okay, well, you can see I do have the 1/4-20 threads tapped through this thing. It wasn't very hard with this being aluminum. It went in pretty easy. Okay, so now let's put that in there. And tighten that down. Still opens enough that I can get the battery out. But now here's the big test. That's a test using a Phillips on a straight. Okay, hey, that is on there. And that clicks on to there. Let's see if it turns on. Heck yeah, it works. Perfect. Probably the only one in the country that's ever made anything like this to make it work with a camera. Well, I'm sure I'm not the only person. I'm probably not the first person. But hey, I make things work. When they don't work for me, I do my best to make them work. And I try to do it as least expensive as I can. Especially since I'm building a house right now. Everything's cheap. Oh well, wow. Shop's a little messy. Oh, wow. Yeah, my new shop is, wow, 4 times the size of this little room here. Twice as long, twice as wide. And a heck of a lot more room. And concrete floor. You know what I like about concrete floors? I don't know if the camera will pick this up. Things vibrate in here. Something over here vibrates. I don't know what it is. But when I walk in here, it vibrates. And it bugs me. Okay, well, you can probably see I'm sweating like crazy in here. So, thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video. Be sure to make a comment if you like something or dislike something. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell if you want to get notifications. See ya!